a lot of people are gonna take this video the wrong way, and you should, because this video is real, and y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100. I ain't never changed my content. I keep it 100. Tonight, I was talking to a guy at the gas station. He was out doing Uber Eats late at night. I'm finishing up, and I had just finished up the last video. I was letting it upload, so I was talking to him on the side. So when I got home, I said, I'm gonna actually talk about what we kind of discussed. He said that he likes doing Uber Eats more than he likes doing DoorDash now, because all the people on YouTube that have been given all the DoorDash secrets on how to make money and how to do these type of orders and how to get, he says, those are the people that have basically educated the immigrants. He says DoorDash never told these immigrants how to do DoorDash. Everybody on YouTube told these immigrants, you don't have to speak English. This is what you do. Watch YouTube videos, find out how to do DoorDash, go to America and do exactly what they're doing, but do it differently. I'm like, you know what? That's funny, because a lot of people used to tell me, Jeff, you telling too many secrets on your channel about driving. You're telling all the people how to make money. You're telling all the people how to do this and do that. Once I started doing private rides, my video views started going down. Yes, when I was doing all of my ride-alongs, all my showing people exactly what streets I was doing, how I was doing everything, how I was making money, my views was going through the roof. Videos getting 8,000 views, 6,000. Those weren't Americans watching my shit. Those were people overseas watching it. Those were immigrants saying, how are we going to do this? We don't know how to. We were basically educating, training our replacements. That's what we were doing the whole time. That's why YouTube was pumping the hell out of these videos. That's why Uber and Lyft and everybody was pumping it. Hey, promote them videos. They was advertising on those videos like crazy. Any DoorDash video, advertise on it. Any Uber Lyft video, advertise on it. When it comes to private driving, don't put that out, because we don't want immigrants doing that. We want them learning how to do the systems the way we want to. And all these drivers out there, these YouTubers out there, are basically training them. Instead of us training them, they're training them. YouTube's training these people how to do it. We think we're helping our fellow, hey, you know what? We kind of helping our community out, teaching you guys how to use the apps. Bad idea. Dude woke me up, because I was like, so many people used to tell me all the time, Jeff, man, you're giving away too many secrets in your ride-alongs, man. You're giving too many secrets. I know you're Harriet Tubman and this and that, but you're giving too many secrets. The whole time I was educating people to come and replace us. That's why all those videos were doing so well. I'm telling you, when I look at my video views now, and I look at all the DoorDash videos and stuff like that, all the Uber Eats videos, they're getting a lot of views. All the ride-alongs get a ton of views. But the moment you start saying, this is how you can do something off app, this is how you can do something to make money for yourself and not for the apps, that's when your views don't go nowhere. Because they don't know how to do that. They don't know how to convert rides. They can't do it how we do it in America. So the Americans that are doing the conversion love the videos. Jeff, man, I'm glad I'm talking to my riders. My riders is hip to the game now. I got private clients left and right. I'm doing amazing. Those videos don't do well. But for Americans, they do well. But all my ride-alongs, all the where I'm telling all the secrets and how I'm cruising the streets and how I'm putting the logic together on how I'm choosing rides, those videos, 19,000 views, 29,000 views, 8,000 views. Man, we are really out here training our replacements. So all you people on DoorDash, we got people just jumping over on Uber Eats now, because they say it's too many people doing DoorDash right now, training the immigrants on how to come over and take all the money. And that's why DoorDash sucks right now. That's why DoorDash is going over to employees, because people are saying, we have no way to make money on DoorDash. It's not how it used to be. We ain't getting them bangers. We're working, 80, 90 hours a week on DoorDash now just to barely scrape by. Not even making 2 G's a week, barely scraping by. Because everybody's training their replacements. These videos are all training videos. That's why they're getting so many views. It ain't Americans watching them. You get tons of views, but you don't get tons of likes. All my videos, tons of views, but I don't get a ton of likes. I don't even get a ton of comments, but I get tons of views on those videos. And I'm like, who the hell's watching these? Go look at all your translations. Go look at who's watching them in what language. There are a whole bunch of subtitles being watched, and they're all auto subtitles. And you see a bunch of people from foreign countries watching American videos, and look at the minutes on them. The ones in Americas, the minutes are decent, but the ones overseas, some of my Chinese videos, it's like at 110%, 130% view rate, which means they're watching my video more than once. They're watching it, then they're rewatching it again. Some of my videos in Spanish be like 19 minutes. And I'm like, the average view time is 19 minutes, but the video is only like, 13 minutes, something like that. But it's like the average view time is way too high for it. And I'm like, the percentage, I'm like, something's just wrong with this. Something just don't look right. And I started really thinking about what that guy said tonight. And I said, I'm going to go home and make a video. Because this right now, we're training our replacements. It all makes sense now. I'm telling y'all, man, that's why my live streams only get 1,000 views, because I'm not really training nobody on my live streams. I'm not training nobody. All y'all doing is dropping me super chats when YouTube takes some of it. But that's the only way I was making money on live streams, was through super chats. My live streams don't get 5,000 views, 6,000 views. They only get like 1,000 views, 1,700 views, sometimes 2,000 views. But my videos, my training videos, oh, they go through the roof. Because people are learning how to come to America and work us out of our own jobs. We're training our replacements. Think about it. And if you look back at some of the videos I did, remember when I was always saying, why are we getting all of these updates that don't do anything to benefit the driver? Like, we're not getting any more money. I used to say this all the time in my videos. Why are we getting all these updates but not getting more money? We're getting paid less, less, and less. But they keep saying, oh, we're going to put a people head on the screen now. Oh, we're going to put the front of what the building looks like now. Oh, we're going to actually improve the map so you don't have to look at the street names. Just follow the map. And we're going to put street lights on it. And this was because they were training people who couldn't read English. This had nothing to do with us. We know our cities. We don't need street lights and street lamps. You tell me to go down Dobson, I'm going to turn down Dobson. I know where Dobson is because I lived here long enough. But if you're just starting to put the number of street lights in the way, you're not doing that for me. You're doing that for somebody else. We've been looking at this for a long time, but tonight talking to that dude, man, it made all the sense in the world. Like this. This is clean right here. A little guitar for you. Welcome to the Mic Drop Barbecue. I'm the bouncer, nobody about to bother you. Ain't no hating and elevating your game. Anybody in this room gon' tell you the same. Hey, you gotta build your business, it's money involved. Ain't a problem in this world that one of us can't solve. 300. And we gon' show you the ropes. Taking off my coat, clearing my throat, making you the goat, and you can profit this cash. Have a little money left when you fill it with gas. If you drove in the past, you got paid better. Now we decline and recline when we feeling all fed up with these pigeons paid slave wage, rolling with rage. Turn a page, we converting rides every day. Hey.